Hi everyone, welcome to Julie's Kitchen. Today we're making French toast by making waffles. This recipe came from a dream that I woke up from at like 4 in the morning a few days ago. So we're gonna make French toast with brioche bread, but in a waffle maker. Like this. Here's our milk, our egg, vanilla extract. Ooh, look at that, fancy. Cinnamon and nutmeg. Mix it all together. Ta-da! Next we're gonna take our brioche bread and soak it into the milk mixture and then take it to the waffle machine. Woo! Oh my god. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit, flip it, and then soak the rest of the bread before we take it to the waffle maker. Woo! Oh my god. Ta-da! Here we have the French toast by making waffles, and now I'm gonna try it. And put some powdered sugar and syrup on it, and whipped cream. Ta-da! Oh gosh, all the sugar. It's so good. Thank you for watching Julie's Kitchen. Tune in next week for another video. Bye! You're so cute. Okay, be free. Goodbye. What does that mean? What's happening? I'm sorry, Timothy. What is that sound? It's delicious.